Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. All you know that we are not coming to school. Why? Yes, due to COVID-19. It is very dangerous virus. Be careful and follow the safety measures. Till that time, we will continue the classes through the online mode. Our today's topic is articles. First of all, we should know the definition of articles. Okay. An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. All we know what's the noun. Noun is a name of a thing or any object. In English, we have three articles. They are a, an, and the. Say again, a, an, the. These three articles are divided into two types. One is indefinite articles. Second one is definite articles. In indefinite articles, we have two articles. One is a and second one is an. In definite articles, we have only one article, that is the or the. Today, we are going to learn about indefinite articles, which means about a and an, where we can use a and where we can use an. What is the difference between a and an, and different usages of indefinite articles. Tell me children, what are these? Yes, English alphabets. How many English alphabets are there? Yes, 26. We can divide these 26 alphabets into two types. See here, one is vowels and another one is consonants. In vowels, we have 5 alphabets. They are A, E, I, O and U. We call A, E, I, O, U as vowels. In consonant, we have remaining alphabets B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. How many vowels we have here? 5. How many consonants we have? 21. Correct. What are these? A and an. What's the name of these articles? Yes, indefinite articles. We have common rules how to usage of indefinite articles. See, a is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns? First of all, we have to know what is singular. Singular means only one thing or one object. Example, table is a singular. Why? Because we are not saying tables. We are saying only table. Table is only one object. If we say tables, then it will be plural. If it is only one object, it is singular. If there are more than one object, then it will be plural. So we use a in front of singular countable nouns. Here we encountered a new word, countable noun. What is countable noun? A book. We can count books. If there are 4 books, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. We can easily say there are 4 books. We can count the number of books. So that is countable noun. Okay. If we have water in front of us, what we say? There is the water. We can't say how many waters are there. We can't count the count of water. So that is uncountable noun. Where we can count the number of objects, that is countable noun. 4 tables, 3 books, 2 sticks. These are all countable nouns. Milk, water, honey. These are all uncountable nouns. So here we discussed about 2 definitions: singular, plural, and countable and uncountable nouns. An is also used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. Already we discussed about uncountable and plural nouns. Now observe the difference between a and an in usage. The difference between a and an. A and an have the same meaning. A and an are indefinite articles. We know that. The difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. Already we discussed about vowels and consonants. When the next word starts with a consonant sound, we use a. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Other than vowels, what alphabets are there? S. Consonants. C. Here we have the letters of consonants: B, C, D, F, L, T. These words started with consonant sound. Consonant, observe here: a book, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck. Before the consonant sound, we use a. How do we know what are the consonants other than vowels? Remaining are consonants. See here. Book. What consonant we have in the starting? B. In car? C. Dog? D. Frog? F. Lemon? L. Truck? T. So we used A before the consonant sound. Did you get the idea about consonant sound? Okay. Let us discuss about an usage. Already we discussed about consonant and its sound. When the next word starts with a vowel sound, we use an. We know the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Observe here. Before the vowel sound, we are using an. Apple, egg, insect, orange, umbrella, actor. An apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. In apple, the word started with A. In egg, E. In insect, I. In orange, O. In umbrella, U. In actor, A. These are all vowel sounds. So we used an. In consonant sound, we use A. In vowel sound, we use an. Before the consonant sound, what we use? Yes, A. Before the vowel sound, what we use? Yes, an. Once again, repeat these words. A book, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck. B, C, D, F, L, T. All these are consonant sound. So we used A. See here. A, E, I, O, U, A. All these are vowel sound. Started with vowels. So we used an. So you can observe the difference between A and an. And what's the difference of usage? We use A before the consonant sound. We use an before the vowel sound. Watch these examples. A book, an orange, a girl. Book started with the consonant sound B. So we used article A. A book. An orange. Orange started with the vowel sound O. So we used an article. An orange. In third example, a girl. Girl started with the consonant sound Z. So we used the article A. A book. An orange. A girl. Book. Consonant sound. Orange. Vowel sound. Girl. Consonant sound. Articles used before adjective. If an adjective qualifies the noun, the articles comes before the adjective. What is the adjective? Adjective is a word which defines the quality of the noun. See this example. She is an excellent student. In this sentence, excellent is defining about the student's quality. In this case, we use article before the adjective. Here, excellent is adjective. We are using article an before the adjective, not before the noun. When we have adjective before the noun, we keep article before the adjective. Where we kept article here? Yes, before the excellent, not before the student. This is the usage of articles before the adjective. We have discussed about the usage of a and the usage of an using articles before the adjectives. Here we can practice what we have learnt in this lesson. Here we have 3 examples started with adjectives. First one, big egg. In this example, we have the adjective big. Second one, ugly dog. Here we have the word ugly is an adjective. Here, third one, interesting book. Interesting is an adjective. We have to check these examples with vowel sound or consonant sound. See the first example, elephant. What's the sound we have in the starting of the word? Yes, vowel sound. Elephant started with E. Next, pencil, consonant sound. Story, consonant sound. Octopus, vowel sound. Big egg. We have to check what is the sound of big. This is consonant sound. Ugly dog. What is the sound of ugly? Yes, start with U. Vowel sound. Artist, vowel sound. Hospital, consonant sound. Steak, consonant sound. Interesting book, vowel sound. We know what we have to use before the vowel and before the consonant sound. An elephant, a pencil, a story, an octopus, a big egg, an ugly dog, an artist, a hospital, a stick, an interesting book. Okay. Check our answer. Yes. An elephant, a pencil, a story, an octopus, a big egg, ugly dog. What was it before ugly dog? An artist, a hospital, a stick, an interesting book. Read once again. An elephant. A pencil. A story. An octopus. A big egg. An ugly dog. An artist. A hospital. A stick. An interesting book. Did you understand the topic? Hope you understand. Of course, we have some exceptions in the usage of articles and their sounds. We will discuss in next level about these exceptions. Until then, practice the exercises based on indefinite articles.